Hi everyone, I'm Joseph Pasco, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to properly install an application on your desktop. So first, when we have a new laptop or a new desktop, we will need to install an application. So the thing that we need to do is just let's say we don't have a Google Chrome, so we just type here uh, Microsoft Edge. So this is the first browser that we have on our desktop. So we just, let's say, gonna download Google Chrome. So here we're just gonna click it, and we're just gonna click here. As you can see, there's a download Chrome, and it's an exe file. So this is the file where we need to install. So we just locate the file, and here we're just gonna double click it, and we're just gonna click yes, and now it's installing. It's starting to install. It's downloading, So now it's starting to install, and after that we could launch our app. Installation complete, so meaning it's already installed. But on my laptop, it already has a Google Chrome. So let's say you have already a browser, Google Chrome. So let's say we're gonna install a Google Play Store, so it will be easy for us to install other apps such as game. Here we're gonna type the Google Play Store. Google Play Store. Click this one. Here we're gonna search the app that we want to install. Let's say Clash of Clans. Clash of Clans. Here, there's a install on Windows. I'm just gonna click that. So start to download. So see here, it has a install Clash of Clans.exe. I'm just gonna look at the file. I just need to double click that. And here it is. It's starting to install. Here it is. Now we can play. That's how you install a game, an application. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!